Listening too
Yeah.
much, speaking too much, convey your thoughts immensely. Okay. And
Yeah.
whatever you know, you just express that knowledge around the people into this way. Okay. And every single day you have to work upon this. You do not procrastinate for a day or for a week. Okay. Because delaying
Yes.
a week, yeah, even a month, you're going to lose your fluency. Okay. Getting a lot of things in order to be able to.
Sure. So my full name is Mahmoud bin Saleh. So you can call me Mahmoud because it's my nickname. And right now I'm a student as well as content creator. And if I talk about my study, I read in class 12. I'm in inter second year. And on the other hand, I'm a little bit content creator. I try to make videos about English, how my country's people they can start their English journey and what they can do, like inspirations. I try to inspire all of them so that they can start their English journey.
Okay, what city do you name?
Yes, city. If I will say my district name is Hobbyganj in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay, your native
Yes.
place is Bangladesh. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
great. So are you a
So,
student?
yeah. Definitely.
Okay. In which class do you study?
I read in class 12.
Well, okay, nice. And how did you get interest to learn this language?
Yeah, oh my goodness. Before starting my English journey, I have seen that if I can learn English language, I will get so many benefit. For this reason, I have started my English journey. And if I will talk about my first benefit, then you will understand that right now I'm talking to you only for starting my English journey. So it's one kind of benefit. So the way if I can learn English language, I hope I will get more benefit like this.
Sure. This
Yes.
language is globally accepted. You must get a lot of benefit, I would say.
Yeah.
Because of having this knowledge of English, you are connecting with me, right?
Yeah.
Indian person. So you
Yes.
can
Yes.
like
Exactly.
this benefit to connect with the Indian person,
Yeah.
right?
Definitely.
And you are still in a 12th class. After crossing the 12th, you are entering into your graduation. So that
Yeah.
time, that language would be very imperative for you.
Yes.
What
That's
is, I would like to know your goals, your aims of life.
yeah. Please, can you say again?
I would like to know your goals, life goals.
Oh, got it. Got it. Actually, I have a lot of dream as well as I have a lot of aim in life. So right now, I want to say one thing. I want to work as a IELTS trainer.
Okay. Wow. Very great.
Yes.
Uh, I think you must have known about Atif Aslam, and he's a singer, right?
I'm not sure. I didn't see.
Don't know, but you don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so tell me, how long have you been working over your communication skill? For 1 month,
Yeah, actually,
any
I before 1 month ago I have started my English journey, and actually, I was starting my English journey before maybe 2 years ago, but I didn't take it seriously. And right now, I have taken it seriously because I think if I can learn English language, I will get many benefits in our country. And right now, I have already got second benefit, that is right now I'm working as an English teacher and I'm teaching my students how to speak in English, and they have
oh,
taken me as a spoken trainer for starting my English journey. So that's why I'm really great and I'm really excited to learn English.
yeah, you are doing well, because you started your journey to teach others,
Yeah.
especially this language. Amazing.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. And And actually many of our country's people, they want to work as a freelancer. Okay, so they don't know that they need to learn English. So sometimes I get this type of message that they want to learn English, what they can do. They try to take some inspirations from my side, that what can I do. And I told him, he also told me that actually I know everything freelancing side, but I can't speak in English, so that's why I cannot contact with foreigner. So that is a big problem. So I told him, yes, exactly, right now that's why I'm still learning English language. And if I can learn English language, then if I will just spend my 3 or 4 months for completing my freelancing course, then I can work properly, I can work very easily. It will be very easy for me. And that's why. And actually I'm also content creator. Actually I have a Facebook page as well as YouTube channel. And this is its name is Mahmoud English Academy. And I try to inspire many peoples who are highly interested to learn English. And I have seen your videos. Oh my goodness. I can learn so many things the way you are making videos. If I will say in a word, agon, fire, fire, amazing, incredible.
Thank yeah, thank you so much for your manifesting your opinion about me. I have been trying for a very long period of time to enhance my experiences and raising the learners into this, improving
Yes,
their communication as well. So sharing
yes,
often a lot of experiences of mine, which I invented in my initial time. And yeah, nowadays I'm getting, I think, well results you can consider. Many of them are becoming quite fluent into this language. Yeah, I can.
yes.
So now, like, what do you do for improving your English apart from this speaking?
Yes, right now, actually, still I'm practicing because I know practice is maximum
You
perfect in our life.
listen
So
to me.
that's why.
Listen to me. You turn your camera. I think you turn back your camera. Turn on.
No,
You
no,
are
no.
not busy.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you, but you are not visible. Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah, I can see you now. Yes.
Can you
Don't touch
see?
camera. Yeah.
Oh, got it, got it. It's my first time I'm using this app, so how I can understand that? Actually, how should I use these apps? I'm really
Yeah.
glad to talk to you because I have seen your videos. Oh my god, totally amazing, incredible. That's why
Thank
I
you so
think I can talk to you. So,
much.
brother, actually, right now in our country, I'm not a good speaker. I forgot to tell you that actually my level is zero. So right now I'm still practicing for improving myself by practicing. So would you please tell me that what should we do for improving our English journey?
Okay. For improving your English speaking, I would say a few things. First of all, you have to listen too much. Practice consistency towards your communication. Try to approach varieties of people and talk to people every single day. That's the way
Yes,
of
I tried.
communication skill.
Yes, I try it, and most of the time I try to speak with foreign countries people. Like, actually, most of the time I get Indian people like you. I really like it, and their behavior, if I will say in a word, great, incredible, tremendous. They always try to behave with us friendly. Then we can learn many things. And actually right now I'm still working very hardly to talk with every country's people for knowing their culture, for taking some inspirations from them that they are really highly actually are they serious about learning English language or not, and many things about their countries I try to know from their side. And already I have spoken with so many countries people like India, Pakistan, Oman, Yemen, Morocco, Japan, Indonesia, and
Yeah.
Arabia and other countries peoples. I have already spoken with them, and the way I have spoken with them, I think actually English is very essential. Everyone they are actually serious about learning English language, and after that, I can take so many inspirations by talking with them.
Yeah, of course. I can see you got a better improvement in your communication skill. You have the good
I'm not
command over
sure.
this language, you're interacting very flawless, I would say. It's very imperative to be a good communicator into this, having that much fluency and accuracy in your pronunciation of the words. These are
I'm not
things you have.
sure. I'm not sure that my speaking is growing or not. Actually, I can see my fluency is decreasing for didn't practicing for a long time. But I try, and my dream is to speak like a native speaker. That's why I try to follow some native speaker so that I can make my fluency more gonna like a British or American accent. Actually, actually, it's our it's not our language, so that's why we should listen foreigner. I mean, native speaker, so that we can understand. And every speaker, they are really good at in English, and we can learn a lot of things. Oh my goodness! So that's why I'm trying. And actually, I have
Yeah,
seen your videos. That's why I think I can talk to you.
yeah, this is my goodness. At least you try to approach at me and talking to me. It is my goodness. Do you like movies?
No, brother.
You don't like movies because
But I have
there's
seen
another way of
some movies in my children time.
communicating. Actually, I'm going to release the one opinion of mine. Improving your communication skill, you have to watch movies and American movies, American web series, where the people are talking to each other into English language. So these are things also very effective, I would say, effective manner of improving your skill.
But I didn't understand. They try to speak very quickly. As far as I have seen some clips who are native speaker, they try to understand us that native speaker is speak fluently or not. They try to show us, and on that time I have seen that actually really they try to speak fluently that I can't understand. So I
Yeah,
try
yeah,
my level best to watch some educational videos, like English speaking success, English with Tiffany, and POC English, who are always trying to make educational videos. I try to watch their videos. Actually, I can learn as well as I can understand their lesson. It gives me immense pleasure when I'm watching their videos.
yeah, of course. Because as much as gradually you are going to aware, you are going to perceiving gradually all of them. It's give you the immense feeling internally. It would be feeling like a tremendous you can consider. Right. So that's
Yes.
why listening too much. If you really want to improve your language, yeah, your accent, yeah, any language, you need to have that much listening power.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
That's
So,
all.
brother, would you please suggest me some YouTube channel for watching their videos so that I can take more improvement by watching their videos?
Yeah, you can join my channel. You,
Yes.
I would recommend you. You just join me because every single day I'm going to connect with different personalities.